In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Valorant update server down. Now there are three potential fixes, and obviously the first thing you should do always is to make sure is their server actually down. So just Google it and check either from Down Detector or Riot Games, and from in there you can see if their servers are down. If they're down, it's not a problem on your end, and then you just have to wait. However, if their servers are up and running and you're still getting this issue, one of the things could be that you have the wrong time zone on your PC. So come here and search for time and dates. Come in here and make sure that you have it set automatically, and also just check that it's actually the correct time zone. After that, click on the sync now just to make sure that it's synced, and then you can try and see if it works. If that still doesn't work, come here and search for CMD and run it as an administrator. In here you want to type ipconfig space /flush DNS, then type net sh space winsock space reset. After you've done this, close it down, restart your PC, and now it should work. Now I really hope this short video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.